Welcome to the world of WordPress, where popularity brings risk. An average WordPress site faces a cyber attack every 24 minutes, emphasizing the critical need for robust website security. Picture a small e-commerce store falling victim to a malware attack, leading to the theft of sensitive customer data and a tarnished reputation. Enter Wordfence, the all-in-one security plugin with a web application firewall, IP blocks, and advanced login protection. It offers robust defense mechanisms while ensuring a user-friendly experience and minimal impact on page load times. Security experts emphasize its pivotal role in safeguarding digital assets and preventing financial losses. For high-traffic and data-sensitive sites, Wordfence premium version might be the game changer, while the free version still offers substantial protection for smaller websites. Before making a decision, let's compare Wordfence with other popular security plugins to align with your website's security priorities. Elevate your website security with Wordfence to protect your digital legacy and fortify your peace of mind.